So throughout this section, you have noticed that when using Code First Workflow, we use Package Manager Console quite often. So in this lecture, I want to show you how to create a custom shortcut to quickly bring up Package Manager Console. Under Tools menu, go to Options. Under Environment, select Keyboard, and here type Package Manager Console without a space. So here's the command in Visual Studio. We can give it a shortcut. Put the cursor here. Now hold down the Alt key and press slash and dot. Because slash and dot are next to each other on the keyboard, I find this a very convenient shortcut. Plus, it doesn't conflict with existing shortcuts. Now click Assign, and finally OK. And with this, you can easily bring up Package Manager Console like this.